especially since he cannot tell it himself. My father, Ильхама Tохti, is a well-known economist, writer, and academic. But today he's in a Chinese prison because he chose to speak out about what he believes are basic, essential human rights. The right to believe what you believe, the right to worship the way you want to worship, the right to think what you want to think. For him, the solution was simple: to engage the Chinese government in conversation about working with Uyghur people in a peaceful, non-violent, and instructive way. The Chinese government was not interested in conversations about working on the tensions building in the Uyghur region with a Uyghur scholar like my father, a man who was committed to peaceful resolution